Okay, we've let this one set up a little bit, so it's not going to slide. Now we want to add this piece on this side. So you want to get it lined up where it's supposed to go. Use a square here to check your alignment on the neck. Try to keep it close. We'll mark this so we get an idea where to put it. And we'll get this piece glued, and then we'll let it set up for an hour or two, and then we can add another piece. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Get this where we want it. Again, just make your clamp snug. We'll tighten this down and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.